This is the final video to fix the Microsoft Flight Simulator stuck and checking for updates error so you can get back to the cockpit. Do you see this annoying screen every time you try to fly your favorite planes? This problem happens because your game files get confused or your internet connection hits a small wall. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and very hard to follow for most people. Rexist is here to help you get into the sky much faster than anyone else. I have 4 proven methods to fix this problem, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work even if your game feels totally broken. You should pause this video now to try these methods one by one, or take clear screenshots of what you see. Do not skip any part because these hidden tricks solve the issue for every single player. I will not waste your time with long stories or confusing words that make no sense. You just need to focus on these 4 paths to success. One of these secrets will definitely unlock your game today. You can finally stop searching for help because the answer is right here. Follow the method step by step showing on the screen.